Hi guys, it's Sonia and I'm excited to share with you today a design for a one balloon rabbit, which is perfect for the upcoming Easter events, but also for the Year of the Rabbit. I did a lot of these at a Chinese New Year festival that I did recently, and you can easily see why. They're actually really cute, but they're also quick and fast to make. So stick around and I'm going to show you how to make this one balloon bunny rabbit. So if you're not new here, you'll know that I love to use my Legenda balloon pump. This time, however, I'm going to do something a bit different and use my hand pump, just in case there's those starting out and you haven't yet invested in those pumps. And I want to make this tutorial nice and easy for you to get onto. So I am just going to go 1, 2, means that is 4 pumps of air in there. And just releasing a little bit before I tie it off. So a little bit more than a hand's length. I'd say that's around 8 inches or 20 centimeters uninflated. And we're starting off with the head, twisting off one of the cheek bubbles here first, and we're going to do a sequence. I'm going to follow it up with a smaller bubble here, which isn't quite 2 fingers wide, and our third bubble is going to be the same size as the first. Put that in, just pull that knot through to help make sure it's not going anywhere. I'm going to follow this up. Following this up with a bubble, which is again about the same size as the one we have here, and we can give that a pinch twist. Come back here and pinch twist it. This is going to be the front nose area, whereas here we've got the back of head bubble. When we do the top of the head bubble, we're going to make it a little bit smaller than we did for those 2 cheek bubbles that we did. Put that in. We are going to do one more bubble here at the front, which will be pinch twisted, and we're going to aim to make it just a little bit smaller than those original bubbles that we did. And we're going to pinch twist. And so it should look slightly smaller than the first. However, if they're still about the same size, that's okay too. I wouldn't worry too much. Now what we're going to do is start to squish this air towards the back of the balloon and then bring it over into the back of head pinch twist. Twisting as we go, and that can kind of help bring in the head a bit and puff those cheeks out. Really cute. You want the shorter bubble to be the top of the bunny rabbit's head. Okay, so when we go ahead to do the ears, again, let's see, about 4 fingers, which is about the same as we did those cheek bubbles. We don't want to go too long here. Make 2. Back into the pinch twist at the back of the head. Looking really cute. Go ahead to do the neck bubble. We're just going to do a nice small one, about the same size as we've been doing our bubbles earlier. And with the remainder of the balloon, we need to get the front legs and the back, as well as the body and the tail. So keep that in mind as you're going. Something that I think is a little happy coincidence is if the front and the back legs aren't quite the same length, and it can look really cute, but really try to make sure at least the front are the same size and the back are the same size. But as I judge how much is left, I think this length is going to be a decent one for my legs. So if you know how to do a balloon dog, that's basically how we're finishing this off here, except we just want to have a little bubble left over at the end. I think a nice small torso. And then see how much air we've got left in the end here. We're just going to give it a bit of a squish. Encourage your air to go that way. Create here a chain of bubbles. And then hold on to the first. And hold on to the last. And those middle ones shouldn't come undone. Well, not in a hurry anyway. So hopefully we have a nice round little tail. And as a finishing maneuver, just going to feed it through those back legs and presto. It's starting to look really cute and rabbit-like. I hope you'll agree. I really like as well how the front and the back legs kind of go out, suggesting it's in motion. Now, if you're like me, you might like to try and enhance that, which you can do by, if we separate the back legs slightly, and we can start to feed the tail back into them. It really helps to bring those back legs out, and I almost feel like it's about to race off into the sunset. It's really cute. Now just finally, the thing we'd like to do here with one of these pinch twists that we had at the front of the bunny rabbit's face is to split it in two. I generally like to see which bubble is softer, whether it is the one that was slightly bigger or slightly smaller. I don't think it matters so much. If you've not split a pinch twist before, practice, I'm sure you'll get there. Basically giving it a squish. And treating it like I would if it were a pinch twist. And you should have something that looks a bit like this, and it's that little perfect spot where you can add a little bit of a bunny nose if you'd like to kind of take it to the next level. Just to give him that little extra kick, we are also going to add an eye. I like to draw them on this side, so this top of the head bubble, we're not going to pop the eyes on there, but we're going to do one on either side where the cheeks are. A bit of a circle design, and just starting about part way through the front of it, drawing an additional line up and over. It's quite cute, I think, like that. Or alternatively, a circle kind of shape, but we bring it around and just curving it around the shape instead of taking it off. Sorry, it's a bit hard to see that light, isn't it? So couple of different alternatives. Then they make a really cute pair. So I hope you have a lot of fun making them, and mine are starting to accumulate around here. I wonder why that is. So I hope you have a wonderful Easter. I'm looking forward to going camping with my family, but also doing a few events, which I think these bunny rabbits are going to be perfect for. If you need any other inspiration for some balloon and line work, I'm going to share a link to the video here, which I really think you should watch next. But that is it for this video. So thank you for helping me to put a positive twist in your life, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.